What is up, everyone? This is Tutorials, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the unexpected WSL error that you may be getting in your Docker desktop. So let's get right into this. So if you're getting this error, the easiest and best way to essentially fix this is to open up your search bar, type in PowerShell, because you're going to open up where it said Windows PowerShell, this one, and in here you're going to essentially run the command WSL space minus or dash update to basically do this update that you'll see over here. So you're going to see it gives you the install option, it gives you like what to do, all that other good stuff basically that happens, and then that's pretty much it. Once you do this, restart your computer, you should be good to go, and you should not be getting this error persist any longer. Once you've done that, you need to basically just X this out, and to see if it did work, all you need to do is type in Windows features, where you see this basically pop up over here, click into this, and if you see the Hyper-V installed as you see over here, basically you can press enable it to turn it on to make this error go away, but that's all you need to do. Once you see this, you basically enable this, press OK, and then you should be good to go, and you shall not have this error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys love the video, please smash thumbs up. Guys in the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and that more tutorials out. Peace.